How does it hold up to hail? It's actually a really good question, and it's one that we get quite a lot. And I've written an article on it. The title of the article was something to the effect of, "To the owners of the Colorado Mills Mall, we could have saved you millions of dollars." In May 2017, a really big hailstorm came ripping through northeast Colorado and wreaked havoc on a lot of properties. And right at the heart of it is a mall called Colorado Mills Mall. Hail blasted through the roof, forcing the mall to close its doors for months. I think it might have even been almost a year, while ownership did all the repairs to the damage that was done inside. And the repairs just weren't isolated to the roof, but also the residual effects of all the water and moisture that came in after the damage had occurred. There were thousands of employees without work. Individual store owners and property owners or business owners had to deal with having their doors closed and all the lost income. And obviously ownership had to deal with all the interior refinishes. And I'm pretty sure I even read somewhere in the neighborhood of $350,000 a month was lost in sales tax collection for that county. So the numbers were astronomical. Prior to the hailstorm, I had heard through the grapevine that the majority of the roof was single ply roof, specifically TPO roof. And areas of the roof were of different ages and different conditions. And just to be clear, the purpose of the article was not to knock TPO roofs. TPO roofing is a good roofing system if it's installed correctly. But the premise of the article was that no roofing system can handle that type of damage. But with all that said, research has indicated that damage caused by wind-driven missiles or hail do not cause spray polyurethane foam roofs to leak, and this damage can usually be repaired economically, not requiring the roof to be totally torn off. So on the front end, the foam meets all the testing requirements required by the International Building Code. But on the back end, due to the structural integrity of the foam, even if the top is penetrated and pierced, its closed cell nature is not going to allow the moisture through. So at that point, had they had a spray foam roof, yeah, that might have been damaged enough that it would have been concerning, and it wouldn't have done anything for the skylights, but it wouldn't have allowed moisture to breach the waterproofing membrane or the waterproofing layer of that foam. They simply would have allowed it to dry out, possibly remove some of the foam that was damaged if it was severe enough. But probably, best case scenario, all they would have had to do is leave the foam on top of the roof, go up there once it's dried out, and to recoat the top of it, saving them millions of dollars in re-roofing costs.